You're ready to buy a home, and if you've been following along for a while, you already know the first step, getting pre-approved for a mortgage. Hi, I'm Gina Walton with the Walton Home Team of Keller Williams, and here's how to start your 2022 home buying journey with a mortgage pre-approval. First, you need to select a lender. Once you're introduced to a quality, well-known lender, ask the lender what their fees are, get a feel for their communication style, and make sure they're a match and representing your interest. 2, provide all the necessary documentation the lender is requesting in order to get your pre-approval. This will include bank statements, W-2s, information on where you're employed, all your debt-to-income information. 3, once you're in that process, watch your spending on credit cards, large purchases like a car, or anything which can adjust your debt-to-income values. Now, your pre-approval will tell you what you can afford and what your monthly payment will be. However, you can choose in the end to purchase a home below that pre-approval price as well. It's such an important part of the process in determining what price of home you can purchase, and if you have a current home for sale, it also helps us know if you need to sell that home first before finding your next home. Pre-approvals last between 30 to 90 days, so once you're ready to take these first steps and get done, within months you could be moving into your new home. Text us for several lenders that we can introduce you to get that pre-approval started, and hopefully we catch you back in a couple months as we start to look for homes and find that next Kansas City neighborhood you'll